How to find your all bookmarks from on your Chrome browser. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can manage your bookmarks. So there is some features you can use for the bookmarks, so you can use easily your all bookmarks. So let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me open the Chrome browser. Okay guys, so here I'm on my Chrome. Okay, so how you can do this? First, how you can find your bookmarks? Just click on three dot option. Under the bookmarks, go to the bookmark manager. So here by default two folder, bookmark bar and other bookmark. So generally when you bookmark anything, it will be showing under the bookmark bars. So you will see the all of website here, all items you have saved as a bookmark. And under this, if you have created any folders, and you can see like this. Okay, other folder also you can see. Okay, this is all your bookmarks. So sometime what happen, you can see this is my all bookmarks show here on toolbar on Chrome bar. So sometime many people don't have this bar here, so I can enable it. I will show in this video tutorial. You can go again here, three dot option, go to the setting and go to the appearance, and here you have to click show bookmark. Okay, so bookmark will be show like this. Okay, and also you can go to the bookmarks and you can click on show bookmarks. So all bookmark you can show to the top of the Chrome. And if you want to remove and add the any bookmark, just you can go to the manager, bookmark manager, and you can remove from here. You can remove the folder also, right click on it and you can delete. And you can also remove the links. If you have links, you can also remove from here. Okay, you can edit the links, and you can directly any bookmark, just open any website which you want to bookmark, and you can just click on this bookmark item and you can select the folder from here, and just you can also rename it and just click on done. It will be bookmark. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.